Welcome to Sayaka's Costa Rica channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make flourless chocolate cake in 5 minutes. Oishii! Konnichiwa!
Hi! Hola!
This is my friend Gabby. She's going to help me with my terrible Spanish today.
Come on, Sayaka, no es tan malo. Her Spanish is not that bad.
Yes, it is. But thank you for coming to help.
Well, thank you for inviting me.
Okay, so today we're going to make chocolate cake. Only takes 5 minutes and let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 ingredients.
So, hoy vamos a hacer un queque de chocolate con solamente 4 ingredientes.
Yes, so we're only gonna need chocolate chip, butter, and couple eggs, and evaporated milk.
Entonces vamos a usar chispas de chocolate, mantequilla, 2 huevos y leche evaporada.
Okay, let's start cooking.
Okay.
Okay, first I want you to put the chocolate into the mug.
Ok, voy a poner las chispas de chocolate dentro de la taza.
And
Okay.
then can you put the butter in there too?
Ok, ahora la mantequilla.
Oh, you just yeah, you can just do so.
Ok, thank you. Gracias. Ok.
Just like that. And then now we are going to put this into the microwave about a minute or a minute and a half until the chocolate and butter all melts together.
Ok. Ahora lo que vamos a hacer es poner la taza con las chispas de chocolate y la mantequilla en el microondas como un minuto y medio para que eso se derrita.
Okay. Okay, you're gonna melt the chocolate in the microwave. Every microwave is different, so check often, okay?
Ok, vamos a chequearlo un momentito para ver cómo va.
So let's see.
Porque todos los microondas son diferentes. Entonces, todavía falta.
You can mix it for a little
Ok.
bit. Oh, yeah, I think it's already done. Do you think?
Un
It's
poquito.
maybe melting already. Yeah, it'll melt with the heat.
Yes.
Okay, perfect.
Ok.
Okay, now you have your melted chocolate. You are going to add your egg. If it's a large egg, you can use 1. If it's small, use 2. Okay, it depends on how soft or hard you want to make your cake. So mix it well. Okay, looks great. Now you are going to add 1 tablespoon of evaporated milk. Now, you can use any other type of milk. I just like the taste of this. That's all. I think Gabby was a bit nervous doing this cooking show. I made her do lots of things and she wasn't very used to talking on the video. Good job, Gabby. Thank you for helping. Okay, now mix well one last time and you're going to put this back into the microwave another maybe minute and a half or 2 minutes.
Sure, I can do that. Sí, ahora de vuelta al microondas por otros 2 minutos.
Okay, let's see what happens.
¡Ay, increíble! Vean qué increíble. Increíble está esto. Precioso.
Okay, now you have your chocolate cake, and one last thing we can do is maybe dust a little bit of the powdered sugar so it's cute looking. Then it's time to eat. Itadakimasu. Tasting time. 美味しいかな?
How is it?
Wonderful.
Yeah, it's so easy.
Maravilloso. Súper fácil. Delicioso. Gracias.
Great. I hope.
Thank you for watching my channel. I really hope you try this recipe at home and share with your friends and family. And let me know how it went and leave the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. Until next time, sayonara! Ciao!